What's going on, guys? Money Man Jeff here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm sitting down with one of my students who just started taking my course. We're gonna go ahead and share his experience with phone flipping. So what's going on, Alex? How you doing tonight?
Good, man. How about yourself?
I'm doing all right, thank you. A little tired. Been working all day, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
I
So
feel
we're gonna go ahead and get to it. We're gonna go ahead and share with the audience your experience phone flipping after taking my course. And I want to go ahead and ask you, before you got involved with phone flipping, what were you doing? What were you doing for work?
really, bro. I was just working in furniture, working in really hot temperatures and shit. It really wasn't. It's not really all that.
Okay,
You know what I'm
okay.
saying?
And what made you decide to get into the phone flipping business? What made you say, you know what, I'm going to change my life. I want to go ahead and, make a difference. I want to go ahead and better myself.
Well, man, I've always been about helping out my family and stuff. And I came across your videos maybe like a month or two ago. And at the time, I was trying to sell electronics, but I would pick up like a phone like every other week, or like pick up like an electronic every other, just every other week. And I would watch your videos, and I'd be like, "Ain't no way." So I just took the risk, and I just woke up one day and I was like, "You know what? I'm gonna try it out." So I just bought your course.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. And when you took my course, was it something that was easy to understand? Was it something that was easy to go through? Was it user friendly, in other words?
Yeah, bro. Actually, I honestly thought it was gonna be a lot harder to understand, but really, you really like took us step by step of how to do stuff, like beginning to end.
Nice. Yeah, I really try to get detail with the videos. That's the whole point when you're actually watching a video. I mean, me, I have ADHD, so it's hard to concentrate. I mean, if it were to come down to read a course or I had to really like study a lot, I wouldn't do too well. But if I'm visually looking at something and I see that what I'm doing, if I'm able just to copy someone, in other words, everything would be easier, right?
Yeah,
So that's the whole
yeah.
thing, to make pretty much just make it easy for everyone. So if you don't mind me asking, what's the most amount of money you've made? I know you started Thursday, so it's not like you haven't even been in the program
Huh?
for a week. It's been like 4 days already. What's the most
Yeah.
you've made?
Honestly, bro, I think it's like around 270 in one day.
270. Your first day you made 270, right?
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. And then you said you picked up one phone today, and you made how much off that phone?
Yeah, this one I made like $75 off of it. The
75
iPhone
bucks.
12. Yeah,
How much you paid for the iPhone 12?
I paid. Actually, I paid 200 for that.
200, and you're gonna go ahead and sell it for 275 to the wholesale buyers. So you
Yeah,
see it, guys. He made $75 profit. He made 270 his first day, and the second day, he made, well, not a second day, but within the 4 day range, he made another 75. So this is just first, 4 days, and he's already looking at 300 plus dollars in profit just getting started. No experience. What opportunity, what job gives that to people? What business? Most people, their first year in business, if you open a barbershop or a restaurant, you're pouring your savings to give it life the first year. And then you're hoping that after the first year of establishing that business at that physical location, that it then picks up. But this is one of the few business where you get money quick. It may not be $1 million the first day, but hell, 270 the first day is good money. And if you have another job, it's just your side hustle and you're just making extra income. So this is a great way for everyone to get started in making side hustle money. iPhones is the number one thing that's in demand. Everyone is addicted to social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Netflix, Tinder, Bumble. You got all these things that everyone uses phones for certain reasons, right? So it's good that we use these social media marketing skills to go ahead and attract clients to us. So awesome, awesome. So if you don't mind me asking again, what are your personal goals? What do you hope to accomplish within the next few months?
well, bro, you already know that the new phone's gonna drop next month, so I gotta be on top of that, and really just to build up all the way to like December. When Christmas time rolls around, I really want to have like a lot of phones and really
Oh
just
yeah,
go.
and I love that you really say that, because now that the iPhone 15 is dropping literally in a month and some change in September, everyone's gonna start upgrading. Everyone's getting rid of their old phones and upgrading. So this is the time for us to be able to go ahead and scoop up all the old phones, all the used phones in the market. And I always tell everyone this: there is more money in phone flipping in the used market rather than the new market. Because if you're buying NIBs, which is it's like brand new in the box phones, the profit margins are so low. You want to really focus on the used phones, the cracked phones. You want to catch people who are upgrading because maybe they broke their screen and they didn't have Apple Care or insurance, because that's more. And most people, they're gonna buy $1,000 phone. They're not gonna want to spend another $300 on Apple Care. They're gonna be like, I'm gonna buy a case, I'm gonna buy a screen, and we're gonna go ahead and try to protect the best we can, because Apple Care is too expensive. So when they do break it, that's where we come in and get it for low. But nonetheless, the used market is where you want to be at. And now that the 15th is approaching, everyone's going to be trading in from September to January. And when Christmas comes, forget about it. iPads, Apple Watches, the new MacBooks, the new iPhones. This is going to be the best. This is going to be the best era ever, because the iPhone 15 is supposed to be, the innovating, the brand new thing that's out there. So we're going to go ahead and ask you the last question. What would you say to anyone who's thinking about joining my course? They've been watching my videos. They have an idea of what this business is about, but they're not certain. What would you say to them?
Honestly, I would tell them to trust in you and to take that risk. Because at first, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was a little sketchy about it. I was like, ain't no way is this easy, da da da. But really, if they really take that risk and they really put their mind to it, man, this shit is actually it's possible. Like, for real.
For real, yeah.
I really do recommend it to somebody that is always watching your videos and stuff, to just try it. You ain't gonna lose nothing by trying.
Awesome. So there you go, people. You're hearing it live from one of my students. His personal experience, 4 days in, already made $300 profit. Guys, if you really apply yourself, this could be you. I'm not saying I'm gonna make you a millionaire. You're not gonna be in a Lamborghini buying my course. I'm simply telling you, you're gonna make an honest living. You're gonna be able to replace a job. You'll be able to make $60,000 your first year doing this business. Just work hard and start building your business. By year 2, 3, who knows? You'll be able to make it $140,000 a year. You'll build your clientele base. Build that rapport with your clients. Treat them good. Pay them fair. Everyone in this life wants to be treated fair. And if you treat everyone fair in life, then you're going to be able to be abundant. You're going to be able to have good things, good connections. People are going to just gravitate you towards you. So, guys, perfect example of what it is when you put the work in. Alex, thank you for joining us tonight. I really appreciate you. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.